Hello everyone, it's Abby with the Break King. I'm going to open a box of Sons of Anarchy personal box and for Not Swampy Yak. And he's got a binder, but he requested that it stay sealed, so that is what I will do. Okay, so here we go.
There's 24.
Okay, here we go. Do you want them all at once? Do you want me to open them all at once, or just one at a time, or just do whatever I want to do? Hey, whenever you get your binder, will you let me know what the hit was, since you won't let me open it? Alright, here we go. One at a time. Okay, cool. Show everyone. Okay, keeping the law informed. Always the mother bear. Torn. Asunder, sweeping for bugs. Another hit. Okay, these are kind of hard to open. Okay, I sure will. Okay, talking to ghosts. He's not your son. Otto, Katie Sagal. On card. Gemma meets Cherry. Sorry. I'll move this. And still Mama Bear. I've never opened one of these before. Thanks, Swampy. Okay, an empty shell. Jax sends a message. Opie's not the rat. Opie is not the rat. A dead end. And dirty job by this sexy man. Okay, a favor for old friends. Heart to heart. The hits keep coming. Hopefully they do keep coming for you. Gemma's revenge. And a brutal attack. Poor girl. Alive. Okay, a club insult. Two new ways to earn. Meanwhile, in Oregon. Together at last. Called out. Oh shit. He got called out. Family is everything. I don't know why my camera's not focusing. There we go. A near disaster. Double play. Tig's confession. From every angle. A warning. Not numbered so far. A serious complication. What's this? It looks like you've got a sticker. Or actually a tattoo. So that's cool. Directions. Too many secrets. What number what? The tattoo's not numbered. Still struggling. Betting on half sack. Oh, a Bobby refractor. Ooh, fancy. Front left-hand corner. Let me check. Just 1 second. Where is it? Oh, 6. Sorry. I didn't see that. What the hell? Hey, Nike Elite. Okay. It's number 6. Cool. Cool. Okay. Still King. And they're all about charity. You gifted me the tattoo? The Chosen One. From all sides. Another son is born. Medieval methods. And community spirit. A setup. The prince turns rat. Shut down Karakara. What's this? Oh, it looks like you got a checklist. And man down. No more secrets. A bitter pill. Concern for a brother. It blows back on the club. And Jimmy O strikes again. That was a quick snooze. There are a lot of packs in the box. 24. Okay, Bad Blood continues. Jimma warns Clay. Back in for Jimma. The mood quickly sours. On the run again. The last bit of the puzzle. No drugs in Charming. A secret meeting. Retribution. And a stern reminder. Bad Blood continues. Jimma warns Clay. Meanwhile in Oregon. Back in for Jimma. And the mood quickly sours. Okay, an unexpected hit. Another brother down. On the run again. Back at the clubhouse. And Jimma reaches out. Oh, sheesh. I don't know. I'm trying to find it for you. One in spirit. Authentic wardrobe, Clay Morrow. This is a sweet card. You see that, Not Swampy yet? Don't ever ban me again, because look what I just pulled for you. Thank you. I should take a little screenshot of that so I can remember that when you're trying to act crazy. No more secrets. A bitter pill. Concern for a brother. It blows back on the club. And Jimmy O strikes again. A lead on Abel. What's this? I don't really know what this card is. But it looks cool. No, it's not a tattoo, I don't think. It's card 1 in the stack. Two sides of the same coin. Meeting with Jimmy O. And finally free. Oh, that is a tattoo? Oh. An unlikely suspect. Yeah, I didn't think it was a tattoo. A rare moment. Tough decisions. The prince bides his time. Law, SOA style. Zobel's a rat. A united front. Stepping up. Hap gives chase. Button down tight. Nomad, question mark? A new player in Charming. Club needs travel funds. Sorry. Tig's taste of victory. False leads. Saving Abel. New friends, question mark. Fleeing the scene. Gemma spots trouble. A message from Hale. 2 packs left. From Texas. That's what we do. Plans set in motion. Medical emergency. In bed with stall. I think that's how you say that. No turning back. Last pack. Old ghosts. One in spirit. Opie. Refractor. Lights, camera, action. And last card, the right thing to do. Thank you everyone for watching this Sons of Anarchy break. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel below. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you later. Bye.